guys, welcome back to the Master Builder. My name is Jaden, and this Saturday we got something a little different for you. Today we're going to show you how to make a natural, eco-friendly candle out of an orange. If you are new to the Master Builder, I suggest you click that YouTube card up in the top right-hand corner for the introduction video to the channel. This homemade candle can work with any type of orange, whether it's a regular orange or a clementine. I call this candle the citrus flame, or if you're using a clementine like me, then it's a QT light. Last of all, my subscriber goal is 250 subs, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and notifications bell so you can be the first person to watch my videos. So, without further ado, this is how you make a citrus flame. Okay, so here are the supplies. You'll need a lighter, a knife, some olive oil or other scented essential oils that are, this is optional. You don't need a lantern, but I'm just using it. And of course, a orange, whether it's a clementine or a regular orange. The big part with the stem will be the root of the wick, so this will be the bottom of the cup. The small one over here will be the stand. You want to cut a slit around the orange, making the cup larger than the stand. So I'll just wave my hand and voila, here is the slit. Now you can just take off the one peel, which will be our stand. And then you are going to put your finger in between the orange and the peel and do this all the way around the orange. Once that's all done, we're going to take the orange slices out. The first orange slice may be a bit tricky. Basically, you need to take the orange slices out while keeping the stem in contact with the peel. Now that you have all your orange slices out, we're going to cut the excess stem off the top until it's the same length of the cup. You can use some water to wet it so it's a little easier to cut. The cool thing about the stem is that it acts almost exactly like a wick from a candle. Okay, so for some of you who are wondering, this is supposedly a stand. So this will be the stand for the orange, because if you look here, it usually doesn't really sit well because there's a stem on the bottom, so this makes it to be unsteady. So just to make more, just to make sure that it will set right, you're gonna cut a hole right here. Okay, there you go. You have your nice little hole. Now, we're going to prop it up like that. And you're going to take your olive oil, and you're going to fill it. Try not to get it on the stem because then it'll have more trouble burning. So you're gonna take your olive oil right there. Okay, there you go. And then, for the last finishing touch, you light it on fire. And it may take a while to light on fire, actually. Now you can put it on a plate or put it in a tea light lantern and let it light up your room. The olive oil and the citrus scent sometimes gives off a clean, oily smell that can be quite pleasant. I suggest not letting it burn all the way down to the very bottom, otherwise the orange peel will end up catching fire and it will turn to ashes, leaving an unpleasant smoky smell. The way this works is pretty self-explanatory, but basically the stem acts as a wick and the oil acts as the wax. When you put oil in the cup, then it will slow the flame down so that it can last longer. A citrus flame can last for up to 4 hours. I suggest picking a big orange for this, since the bigger the stem is, the bigger the flame will be. It will also last longer and the smell will be a lot stronger. The last QT light that I made gave off a lot of heat. I hope you have fun with this and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and you try out this new candle idea. Question of the day: if you were stranded on an island for 60 days, what would you do to try and survive until help comes? Tell me in the comments below. Last of all, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and remember, always be creative. Happy building!